This is like the most smallest and powerful gimbal ever. So what we have here? Can't wait. Yeah, this is it. Zhiyun Weebill S. Don't you love that sound? Yeah, the box. Yes. This side, all the sides. We open them and here we go. Not that close. What is that? I don't care. So, yes. We're getting closer and closer. We open that. Come on. This is a catalog and stuff like that. I don't know. And yeah, okay. So, yes, this is the box. I don't know why they don't come with the bag, but it's cool too. Yes, this is it. So what do we have here? The battery and backing base. Yes, good. And the famous quick release plate. Oh, it feels good. And what's in the box? The cables. Cables for all kinds of cameras. And these screws for quick release. The mini tripod. Yes, feels good. And charger for battery. Yeah, this is the one. Oh, it feels good. Yes, really feels good. Alright, that's it. Goodbye.